Right, it's match day 34 right here at Barberfield Stadium. It's the grand finale. It's your boy Junior Canet, aka Mr. Rondebele. Welcome to Dep 3 events, match day special, pass and move. Right here, see Lama fans, one low with Dynamos. Low assume where Islanders. Dynamos. All right. Kemena Mutla is Chicken in versus Islanders. It's going to be a tough encounter. Relegation battle. Libona njani Kemena?
Igame namuhla inzima ibe lula ngokuthi obudas lava step brother and the other brother I'm sure kufanele bedlale ngendlela engcono. A draw for them would be okay.
All right. But wena ufuna kube le draw yini njengesupporter le Dynamos?
Yeah, mina ngisapota iDimbaran kodwa ngifisa ukuthi kube i-draw i-right. It's not that bad njengoba nxa sikhangele kulogo la ngibona ngokuthi sile Greenfield is playing today. Greenfield versus Triumph lazo ziyakhanselana ziyi-2 khona. So meaning ukuthi
Dynamos
yabasave. So a draw for Island and Chicken is more safer ku right zingaphumi so kube the 3 teams ngapha la isi travel 3 times kube blawa yabo zingaphuma futhi la ku akusuze kube mnandi.
All right. Jenzi lingabaleki ngifuna ukubamba uMasudi lapha engene fast. Masudi.
Sure.
Namuhla sizobukela sonke.
Yeah.
But igame namhlanje unibona njani?
It's a draw match. It's a draw match because anjazazi ukuthi iziphofu ziyadonsana one oqala izithutha zamateam wonke 2 zifayithela ama relegation kodwa into enhle ukuthi zingadraw vela kula team erelegatwayo njalo lathi isikhathazela ukuthi kube i-draw lawo bedlale becabanga bengakorani kube i-draw 3 iChickenini ngokwethu vele kahle ukudulisa kwayo sizubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba izulu belibuye lisenza so participate mana sibuye but ingasiduliseli ibhora bekweza ama tickets at right for $3 le because siyabulaleka ngaphakathi yabona
letsobo bakhuzekile mdala ama-supporters akhala ngokuthi ama-tickets akhuzwe aba $5 angazi into abangayijwayelanga yini but it's promising to be a blockbuster match. Relegation threatened teams adlalayo edliwayo nje iyaphansi kwesihlahla so mana singene sibone ukuthi kuzahamba njani. Step 3 TV pass and move match special.
Izinto ecacayo ngulwano ngale lwa asebephuze kakhulu hayi
Right, it's Dep 3 TV pass and move match day special. Lapha sesifike ekucineni kweCastle Premier Soccer League. This is match day 34 pitting iChickenini FC le Highlanders FC and as it stands, both teams are safe as they drew 1-0. But sisamelele ukuthi sibe wazi amanye ama-team adlale njani. Otherwise also we are still waiting for ama-fans aphuma lapho ukuthi besitshele ukuthi babone njani igame namhlanje lokuthi bathini for next season. What should Highlanders fix? What should Chickenini fix? What should the PSL fix? So hlalani nilindile lapho libone ukuthi abazathina ama-supporters ethu ephuma lapho. Uyibone njani igame namuhla?
hayi game namhlanje mnandi
uzwa njani ukuthi at least i-team enkulu i-survivile and nxa kulento ongayitshela abakhokheli beqembu ukuthi bekulungise ukuthi next season singatholakala endaweni enje so ngabatshela
bona bomanje njengoba vele ngudonzile abanye mbuzo kwamba lapha ngisesikolo just ngesitiyo ukuthi ngingabatshela nyaka ngiyashiyo lapho.
All right, akude mdala siyabona. Uya dala. So mdala. Uyibone njani igame namhlanje?
Game yizo. Hayi game sithandile. Sidlalile hayi umthinto mnandi.
Lapho yebo ukuthi asidliwanga ukuthi asirelegatwanga.
Lapha singathi njani? Asingathi game befe. ibefeyo akula kurobhana akula kunjani.
Right, ofuna bekulungisisa abadala bethu next season ukuthi team ingatholakali ku-position le 40.
Cela umbeba bemlungisa njalo ucaptain betshintshe, akula captain ongahlala ebhentshini ebuye sezongena egemini engatrain. Captain kumele njani belungisa.
Hayi sweetara.
Captain
Salitela ngabona. Sho mdala.
Hayi team kumele sizame ukuthi silungiseni next season we come back a better team. Lo mfata wama 2K signing out.
Nandi dala. Uyibone njani igame namhlanje mdala?
Namhlanje kade ngiyigame yesefit. Game yesefit.
So we happy result.
Asihappy masikhona koBulawayo. More games, more time.
But iqembu kumele lilungisiseni next season
Next keeper kuqala number 1 ehambe emoze ethole better. Engabuyi kubhoze ehambe better. The key one is team. Sacela mid season. The close season. Key one is keeper. Sharp key one.
Nandi dala. Uyibone njani igame namhlanje?
Igame bekuyisi. Namhla bezidlala ngesefit. Ichicken inyanka. Ungcono ukuthi sibe sidlala ichicken indlala sizilanda yibo Kariba Kariba khona. I-draw vele be-right.
Manje dala isizwe ngiyatshaya ichicken ezithi go.
Hayi bese wasizachayile leli one. Phela bona uDonovan uyeke libhora kumbeka 5 times. Ufuna sohleli one. But ucoach wethu ngachale le area. Vele ngikhipha bani olomkhaba manje.
Hayi bahamba.
Yabona mthana.
So uyibone njani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje sharp but ukeeper indlela enze ngayo azange asichaza nje amafans akhe. Ukeeper ayicazanga. I know usuka nama mistakes London. But ama-playing kakeeper azange asichaza usuke aba lazy London kodwa ukeeper ngesikhala ngaye kakhulu ngingasabani but sathi ndlami isikhala ngokeeper.
I'm just commenting on EKB Highlanders versus Chicken Inn. To be very honest, Highlanders, so right now, their players, they have no structure, they have nothing. I'll go on, Kulmengo number 33, I think is a Nigerian guy. Sorry to pick him. The guy has no mobility. Even though number 9, Rojaleni Highlanders doesn't have any mobility. It was easy for him to pick him up with Pemage because agility is nothing. Then Ukangele, he play, Highlanders, they can't build from the back. I mean, I think the Highlanders, if they're serious, they just have to change their coach because Coach Lana is clueless.
So mdala uyibone njani igame namhlanje?
Mina ngivute i-team lana i-team lana idlala ngasidliwa yona. Yikho kwenzakalayo.
Bona bakwanisa ukulida.
Ubona bakwanisa ukulida.
Hayi kungcono ngasisefu. Kodwa inkuthu zonke lezana eziphakathi labana hayi bangani bekhiphe sibili abanye labana ngani basefa.
Ontshela ukuthi into right kumele sanebhozo yithi amasapoti.
Yithi kuphela. Thina yithi abakhulu bakhona.
Disappointed with the fans of Dynamos here in Bulawayo. I thought they were going to be numbers supporting Chicken Inn, but the ground, their stands was empty. That means the football is unfair. I feel like if we are proudly supporters of the team, let's all fight like a team. Dynamo supporters in Bulawayo, you proved that you don't love football. Because you can't say all of you went to Harar. Then because if you had gone to Harar, it was going to make a massive. Then the stadium shall be full with you, Dynamos fans, because today you prove us wrong. You prove us that you don't love Highlanders to be relegated. Where were you? You wanted to watch Dynamos in only ZBC, where there is no ZBC in Zimbabwe. Come.
I'm
very disappointed in what this guy was saying. Dynamos. Who's still with the supporting so? Guy support team here. Kitna was supporting Highlanders.
igame namhlanje manje uyibone njani dala?
Hayi bemnandi mntakababa. Idlale webhola lidlale with the best team of the day. Unfortunately, I'm not the best team of the day. So I'm proud of that. We have so many teams that go which is correct.
So abadala lapha sesilungiseni ukuthi next season singathola
Abadala mina ngikabukile ngabo. Anzafuni ngabo, anzafunzwa ngabo. Yabona inkomo uma ethi nganzi yedibheni. Abadala bakho abayadibhisa inkomo babhizi babulale eHighland. angifuni nako ukubona khonokho abadala bayidibhisa inkomo ngale ekhaya le lathi ke sirani Highland le ngizazonda phela la ngizacanisontile so balo na very disappointed mdala ngento eyi-1 lapha yazi ukuthi thina siyi-Highland Highland ibhore lidlala but lidlala thina singama-supporters siyisapota bona baduma ngokwethuka ungayethuki mana abafana bavele Harare mina vele silandeba labo bafana bavele Harare mashona silandeba lawo eduze kwethu ani nasifuna ukutshaya madoda ukuthi kuthiwa lathi sikhanye madoda ukuthi Highland mandebele khanya ukuthi la ngamadebele
mdala imizeza ngiyatshaya ichicken izinto libhoyo uqala
nitshayile mdala so yazi yavuntu zaza ngathenga ithukile
sabdala ibona njani igame namuhla
Yeah, we are aiming higher constantly. Yeah, we've been affected by several factors. Let me just say, Islanders is doing well, but we are aiming higher for next season. Hopefully, we're gonna be fine the next season. We need some changes here and there, but the next season we're gonna be fine. I'm optimistic that we're gonna win the league, and we're gonna be fine. So this is a match. Anything can happen, bro. So it was a draw, but next season we're gonna win the league. Then we're fine. Thank you.
uyibona njani igame namhlanje le season
Isizile abafana basilekile ukudlala but into engayitsho namhlanje abantu badlalile basichazile vele besingafuni ukuthi echikenini next season kufanele betshintshe sibile abafana bebe nomfutho sidlale kakhulu siwine vele sifuna sibe i-best team next season siyabonga
uyibona njani igame namuhla hayi game be-right kakhulu next season area simfuni area
it has been a disappointing season, but please keep the job the contract. Area should retire. Give young boys a contract. Area is a flop. He's a legend, but it's a flop. Give the job the contract. Thank you.
yabona iposita lekade namhlanje sibili u-Eren kade athatha ikhefu sibili siyacela sibili ukuthi athathe ikhefu anike abafana yabona lo mfana lo number 14 ongenilelo umfana batshisa asithathe nabafana from kubhoso 19 bebuye lapha kubhoso asifuni ukuthenga hayi yabona umgana yenu nithi simsupport ibhoso i-executive sayicela ibhadala ama-players kahole bengahola look thanks uCaptain Fantastic umbeba yesidane lo job siyambongela sibili lobe phumile kanjalo sithi ibhoso sesikhona siye esigogweni
umdawini lisotha lethu umdawini vele simlahle umdawini lisotha lethu umdawini pick up umdawini lisotha lethu umdawini vele simlahle
so mdala imizeza ngiyatshaya ichicken izinhloni ebuqala
hayi lutho bekusuka
awethokanga
lutho
okwazi
exact but umdawini abanazi yokuzakithi ezithi umdawini kumele ehambe umdawini kumele ngayindawo umdawini ungikapteni
omunye
hayi socially
21 u-Ariel Burwami sekhulile
badala baningi okhipha emazweni lapha abahamba bebadala
ya emazweni ayikhona la eZimbabwe yabona ilizwe lethu ilizwe lokuhawula Burwami u-Ariel babesithi ngumdala ngumdala osekugile odlisa i-Highland oseyisidudla yabona u-Ariel sengusitufuza ndoda yabona u-Ariel sengusitufuza so u-Ariel kazama ukuthi akaphumuze umzimba lwana aphumuze le-Highland ubonile igobhora yakuqala uyehlulekile nokudayiva ndoda uyehlulekile nokuthi adayivele ibhora leliyana umdala The game was interesting because it's a derby, but in terms of the pride, Iposo is failing. We can't say a team like Highlanders is fighting for relegation. I think if he's failing, just give the Jong the contract. Area should retire and be someone who focus on academy. Let Highlanders be the team of youngsters. We can't pay last game $5. What's that? It's nonsense, huh? But as fans, we came just because we love the team. But let the board do something. Next season, we're coming by fire, by force. Highlanders going to the top.
Amen. So Dada.
Alright, mina mbuya le different opinion. Mina I'm not happy in terms of eBorena kuzwelwana. Igame lebe we're supposed to win. Ukuthi Chicken Inn ngumakhelwane akusebenzi lokho. Bekumele ikhambe. Another thing emele sinanzelele. Saxotsha uKhayindu. Sachiya ama-assistant akhe. And the same assistant nalawana asesele. Asaleleni bekumele ahambe lo Khayindu wangikhona.
Sibe
nokutsha konke. And u-agent Ajira Sawu wathi yena iplayer akasoze wafa wadlalela iHighlander. Why esengu-assistant coach weHighlander?
Hayi yabuza Dada.
Yabo. So sifuna u-coach simgcine kodwa sibe lama-assistant amatsha azikuchuzele wona. Because emazweni u-coach ubuya labantu bakhe. Akabuyi afisana nabo. Kafiki athi yena kuthiwe nanka ama-assistant akho hayi ubuya ehamba nama-assistant akhe.
iHighlander zishida ngenxa yana yasintsheni madoda qale katsha yabona bafolo no false control lana wayefuna ukulungisa i-team yethu le iHighlander dlayele ukuvotela but kathesi abadala babaphume bonke lapha abaphume ucoach kule ngqondo uDijongwana but abaphume bonke siqale katsha bafo itimu le adinga ama-primary le-secondary school emzilikazi kani njengoba kusenziwa kudala esikwaziyo uphila ndlovu wamfuku le mzilikazi la so hayi iHighlander lokhu akufe lo
akazwakala Dada. Jobi. Uyibona njani igame yanamuhla Dada?
Game so far, I cannot complain much. It's better, like what I've said before. Kabiyama. Uyabona lapho into esayenzayo kufana lokuthi satshintsha udriver safaka into ukuthi lidrive ibhasi evelifile ibhoso into efileyo asomacoach thina ama-supporters ibhoso into efileyo yi-team. We don't have players, asilama-players. Ngabe kuyavuma sikhiphe ichafu yonke leyo, uyabona le ichafu yonke leyo siqalise ngo-Ariel Sibanda ngavuma ukuguga kumbe angene ku-technical team yebhoso kumbe angene kwenye indawo lapho angadingelwa khona fithwe angithi libe selikhipha ngathi wonke umuntu lichiye uMbeba Andrew Mbeba is a star nguyi-Highlanders yangikhona phakathi kumidi likhiphe zonke izibi zonke phambili lichiye umNigeria kungasali muntu antsho because akuncedi ukuthi into drive imoto ifile otherwise vele lokhu kuyabhowa. Imagine a big team like Highlanders ilwela ukuthi ingarelegate. Does that make sense? It doesn't have sense. So what you are supposed to do now ikutshintsha ama-players wonke silawo sitshintshe technical team sikwazi ukuthi you are starting afresh, then from there we can expect ukuthi maybe ngcenyese singawina.
Asiboye kakhulu Dada. Banesike uMasuthu. Masuthu wena ukhulumile vele uthe wena akula muntu owinayo. Uyahamba Dada. Uthi akula muntu owinayo. Uyibone njani igame yanamuhla Dada?
Angikutshelile ngathi i-game very true yiziphofu zodwa mala ngutshele nge-Highlanders i-Highlanders is turning 99 antsho i-Highlanders iyidoti from 99 years i-Highlander ayina-ground i-Highlanders abafazi barelegetiwe i-Highlanders i-90 irelegetiwe which means i-Highlanders ibhodi vele akula i-Highlanders akula into expectayo ku-Highlanders i-Highlanders ifile ayila bhasi ayila lutho into elayo i-250 kaThivayo lathi ibhasi yakhona yinqola so i-Highlanders akula lutho elingayi-expecta bafethu draw season yonke idoti team
so Dada utopako Dada uyibone njani igame namhlanje Dada?
it's better from bed to mattress akufanayo from bed to mattress very saridliya then but at least next season mina bethe ukuthi siyahlangana e-YCT but today siyahlangana next year siyahlangana
Mina madoda i-Highlanders namhla besithethi iyadliwa i-Chicken Inn ngoba i-Chicken Inn iyasidelela ihlala isidla vela kodwa namhla ngithi is better udraw.
Ongakutho ngesizini leyo yonke Dada, isizini yonke leyo i-Highlanders ngathi
Ayizamile ngathi izamile. Ayizamile.
Siyabonga.
isizini ayizamile
Mina engakutsho nje Highlanders but uqala ngiqakezela umbeba yi-player lethu leli kade sesilibona u-Highlanders umbeba usizamile nje ku-Highlanders but into ekhona i-team kumbe sithi i-Highlanders yonke yaphayiza ukuxosha uKayini because uDijongu akabi le-win even one ngama-draw kumbe sekuyi-7 points ngama-draw wonke so lithini ngakho khonokho yabe lisola abantu but akulanto ayenzileyo uDijongu akulanto ayenzileyo uDijongu yabe lokhu esola ama-players but uDijongu yenzeni 7 points ngama-draw wonke even akuthi buku draw 1 point akabi le-3 points even one game lithini ngakho khonokho
Uzakele nto begcizelela dala.
Daba kunjani mina engingakutsho is we tried our best even playing kuma circumstances abenzima thina we know i-Highlanders ama-games ewawinileyo though sasiluthelwa into zethu i-Highlanders ngabe kuyingenye league kade siqede siku-top 4 but because we are playing in a league of ama-looters abakwenzileyo akulanto esingayitsho asithi sicontrol igame bazamile abafana bethu even our coach obuyileyo uzamile uKhayini uhamba wakhe kwaku-right wayevele laye kumele ahambe then esingakutsho kathesi i-Highlanders ayicontinue lapha dikhona we know we'll come out with something next season for this season asehlulekanga sizamile but sidlala phakathi kwabantu abangasithandiyo vele
Iteam itotobile unyaka wonke abadala bayiphelele ama-players esingela aba-below average players kubona ama-chances wesithola sidlalisa i-top goal scorer le-6 I think this is our worst season there's nothing to celebrate. There's nothing to celebrate. We want to change next season. Siqale phansi from ku-board executive. Sibuye ku-technical department. Sibuye kuma-players. At least to build around 5 players.
Kodwa ntementi zike yatshaya lapha echikenini zithi go one.
Vele bichaye kakhulu because bese sibona sesitshayo ngoba i-team lingathembisi lokuthi thina sila i-goal point ethiwa nguye umuntu osengayenza individual brilliance. Very wakudangile kube right draw season siphelile. We say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to ama-players e-Highlanders bonke. Sahlala next year. Thanks to God ngokusigcina yonke siyabonga.
Kodwa kubuza uTobi one mbuzo. Right Tobi. Mina ngingakabuza kwebhora dala. I-costume le dala inspire kuyini?
Okay, let me just make it simple. As you can see, I'm just dressed in skeletons. What it means, dry bones shall live. We will never be broken down. We might be down today, but we are not out. Engikutshoyo ngezinye indlela ngithi ukuthi board kayihambi. Engikutshoyo ukuthi executive kayihambi. Why isitsho njalo? Ama-results they can say on their own. Nxa ukuthi ngumuntu ocabangayo ngumuntu olengqondo ababa lenhloni abadala akuso politics le. It's a game of sports. They have failed for the past 7, 10, 16 years or 20 years as La League. We don't have anything. Out of these 20 years, I'm sure it's like 2 meaningful cups. How many? But 2 weeks later, we tried team guys sent. We sold the player for 50,000. Singati ukuthi play ihambi sidinga that player that man asikwazi ukuthi ivanishe yaya ngapha watakufonakala ijurawu nxa kuthi team ifuna ukuvuka sibili kathesi amankazana ahambile relegated thina kathesi lathi simi ngonyawo liyi-1 anti liyabona simi ngonyawo liyi-1 abafana bathi ndabo ngale bafuna ukuhamba ora lihlaleleni kade ofisini licela imali kuwo wonke umuntu okuyayo. You don't have ideas, you don't have anything, you don't have any plans. Okay, mina sengikucela-ke badala bami, all the supporters, all Highlanders stakeholders, ngicela sithenge amakhadi $20. Amakhadi $20 singawathenga kathesi uDisemba engafiki. Next year siyavota sonke la. Sivoteleni for the right people. Ngiyabona. Hayi khona la abantu asebenenkani ngani ipolitics, aso politics lezi. Ukuthi abantu badane njani mntana? Ukuthi abantu badane njani? Bona they are happy. Bahlala esikhundleni bawomisa amakhanda. Hayi abathiye kuphele lokho.
nabo bathi bengena bathola kulabanye abantu abephakathi bathiya bahamba kanti kuthengisela wona.
Siyabonga futhi ukukhuluma ngenhliziyo Dala ubhala lela bazalo yethu sonele eduze Dala
Siyabonga lokho. Siyabonga lokho okhuluma ngoba lathi inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu. Angeke usupport i-team from January to December. Engalethi into engcono ekhaya. Abantu bebuye bebhadala sisenza singena sisithi bahamba besithethisa phandle la. Liyabona into eyenzakalayo. Kulobuhlungu lokuthi kade sikhangele ukuthi namhlanje siyawina. Siwinile but kodwa kasiwenanga. But kodwa sihamba sibhadala izimali kade ezibhadala ziyanga. Zithathwa ngobani? Njalo futhi thina sicela ukuthi abantu abagugle etimini o-Ariel abaphumule. Idinga abafana abancane. Angithi abaphumule abafana abancane. Ngoba kade sihamba sizosupport ibhola from far away. Coming from Harare. Sibuyela beblawu support i-Highlanders. Abanye kodwa bethatha imali befake ezikhwameni. Imali esibhadalayo today we paid $5. And it is overdue. But kodwa kade akula abafana abancane abangabambela i-Highlanders yini. Sicela ukuthi lathi kuyade sisize anti be-Highlander ngoba thina kasifuni ukwenza lanto bese sifika ngeyata sifike ngeyati but we like Highlanders. Nangasupport i-Highlanders ngile 18 years. Today I'm 45 years. I'm still supporting Highlanders. But dala ngijova how come in high? Kade support engcono kade kwamarele kade ukuthi into ukuthi siyenzele kube ngcono lathi sijabule. Kade today besibona ukuthi siyawina thina. How come ngoba uyere ngicela hambe ephumula atshela abafana abancane.
Siyabonga Dala. Hayi lami nje ngiyakhala kakhulu i-play yethu ibe good besikhangela ukuthi kuyithi ngadobukela i-play bengabe thina siyawina but sathola ukuthi basishaya counter attack bagowesa but ama-players ethu lo coach obuyileyo usafuna ukuqalisa kutsha omvelo besigake nabafana abancane uya-attack but ngakho uplan yakhe so umbeba udlalile kuyimi namhla is man of the match but into efunakalayo abadala bakhala kakhulu ngo-goalkeeper goalkeeper sinceda kakhulu uma-penalty but iyethi simtshaya so into eyenzakalayo i-team yethu asidingeni uyabona ucoach anikwe i-chance anikwe i-chance coach anikwe i-chance coach
lapho badala iqiniso likhona nje u-Ariel is long overdue. Lokho wabuyayo we have never won a game. Ucoach umsebenzi ukuthethisana nabo ref akula coach sicela ucoach ngahambe umanager hayi umanager vela asakwazi ukuthi lifunani into ekokhona mbeba man of the match uCalendar singamsoyela i-rigging straight mbeba this year udlalile he's the only man with Highlanders ethathi u-agent wayela ukudlalela vele ngahambe u-agent lo tsayi basibulele u-agent
ayibona njani igame namuhla lesizini ye-Highlanders lo
Hayi thina so far igame namuhla hayi vele mina bengispect i-draw. Bengispect i-draw ukuthi ama-team angapha thina kithi ngapha singafuni kakhulu hayi into yakhona iyabhowa leya ayabhowa vele hayi bhowa kakhulu kodwa-ke thina ama-Highlanders kumele siqale silungisa phezulu ngale makhanda ngale abadala kumele ukuhambe lokho hayi asiqale kuhle hayi isizini ebuyayo le siqale katsha le hayi
yebo bafo kunjani bafo siyabonga igame yanamhlanje kube mnandi kube kuhle injabulo intokozo injongo injabulo wathi imnandi yona igame yanamhlanje vele ade ungamelanga vele sidliwe njalo bengamelanga siwine expecting vele i-draw vele le into ade siyazi zisuka vele ukuthi kube mnandi kube kuhle so fani Kichongo siyabonga uyithole vele i-team isifile but thank you Tankula phana thina siyazibongela asibone kwa next year Kichongo welcome to Boso ngiyalithanda lonke mahlabezulu ngiyalithanda lonke
siyabonga Dala ana ngicabanga ukuthi hayi igame namhlanje ngoba vele bedlala le chicken ile vele ifuna vele ukuthi nje isishaye kodwa hayi
i-Chicken Inn idlala igame right, yadlala igame right, kodwa siyajabula nje ukuthi inkosi sekhona vele kuligi. Ayikho into esingakhala ngayo kangako. Kodwa laphana kufanele nje bezama ukuthi betshintshe kuma-goalkeepers, please. Bezama ukufundisa abafana abancane. Yeah, kushaya phezulu le. Kodwa next season cabula njani sibone igame etshintshileyo. Ngibonge kanjalo.
Ngibonge kakhulu dala. Alright. Badala thina into esikhala ngayo. Alright mama. Bafowethu thina yabona uMbeba is a good defense but ikhiwa lethu mina ngesikhiwa ngisazana
Hayi akhuluma akhululeka njalo.
ikhiwa lethu bele strike uMbeba behind midfielder and strikers but thina playing yena is a good player zwaneni badala into esikiyo esintwini sesindebeleni ema-Highlanders etimini yethu yelizwe lonke asihloniphaneni but iqiniso coach is a good avela kula coach otwa relegation abantu bona bethu abantu besintwini kuthiwa i-disappoint coaches ungaphambanisi ucoach
Mnike wonke
ngesindebele
Azehlukelelile.
last time
Zelowakha kucabangayo.
uMbebe elimele laphana
Yeah.
ewayelimele uMbeba that team imanika or yiphi team lana waze wamfaka second behind
Dala konjele wena lapha ubukele laphana echikenini izihlote laphana inhliziyo zange yacha.
ayibithayile kodwa but iqiniso mina bengivele nginjani ngikwazi ukuthi abantu abahlelileyo yithi esiphila la
Right, akonchayela ama last words to ama supporters ayelendaza amanyompongo athi gaga.
mana behind Nigeria angenze ngiqamba yebisi umphambanisile kumdlalisa ngesikhathi esithini yabona umelika Thomani lo uyisidudlelwana mani amabizo abo
Yebo thina nje ama-supporters yale into engayichiya njengoba vele sesisiya ku-break so sesiqedile isizini yethu yakhathesi ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi la next year sizabe sikhona sizayisapota njengoba sivele siyisapota siyabonga konke okwenzakeleyo sicela ukuthi la next season sibe serious senze konke esikwenzileyo kodwa into esicela ku-improve lathi ama-supporters sibe ne-power yokuthi la nxa sisiya kuma-away games sibe kwazi ukuthi hayi i-team yethu siyayithemba njalo siyakwazi ukuthi mina ngingu-Dan Moore.
Siyabonga kakhulu Dewa.
Siyabonga.
Right, le Passing Move special Dep 3 TV dala awuthi fada la.
Siyabonga balandeli intatheli ezinhle elikwanisayo ukuthi lisithathe sinje ibhozo okuhle likubonile
Ayisoze yabulawa.
hayi ukubulawa kwakhona ukudlala kwethu ibhola asambeni balandeli bebhozo kuhle asithenganga sibadlile
Siyabonga.
mina engikhulumayo yibubhanda sibalandela kwelapha ayidle bhoso kuzokwevalwa siyabonga kiwa hayi siyajabula namhlanje njona sithole i-1 point hayi siyathabela mina namhlanje ngabonga oMbeba ngibonge umfana lo Melkhaya awudlale kakhulu esandla lapha yibe sembonga umlathereni hayi umfana uyagcina ibhola but uswela ureason ukuthi atimele ukuthi umlathereni ubambe ibhola yena azi open space thina habe vele sijaya ka-3 but i-team yethu hayi singasola ucoach singasola ubani i-team silayo
Alright dala mana
Right, mina nguTK ohlanyele ebhoso. Right, oqala nti angikhulumi ngegame anti mina engikukhalelayo kakhulu i-Highlanders badala seliyibulile, abadala bethu sebulile i-Highlanders. I-Highlanders ingaba yi-team efayithile relegation nge-last game la kona khonokho lasomhlolo le yini sile 100 years, we are celebrating 100 years next year, but kwenzakalani nxa kunje so iPoso 90 isevabe enzima yawina ngokhova, amankazana anelegetiwe, amankazana ngathi atholi enough support. Badala lenzani abePoso khona abadala kubhodi lenza njani, vele liplana njani izinto zenu, ukind waqotshelwane asikhuluma ngokind of course, but uplan B esilayo for Highlanders ukuze siye phambili kuyini, wayesiba yihlekisa. U-honorable usewitnessivale wasinika imali, wabuya wabuza abantu beHighlanders lifuna malini ku-Highlanders, lakhuluma ifika wabhadala. Mina ngikhala ngemali lena ekhishwa nguTivayo ukuthi iyangaphi badala, why lingabuyili le-feedback ukuthi warathi kade senze so sithenga iplayer nje sabhadalini nje, yes i-accountability, why kungela feedback. Mina vele my worry is iHighlanders ithandwa ngama-sponsors amaningi, ithandwa ngama-sponsors amaningi, ama-stakeholders amaningi, bayaletha imali kodwa sikhala kade sihle sikweleti. Kanye iteam eDynamo zena abantu bangena sathola 50,000 kodwa ama-player astrika, so imali lena yanga badala phezulu kona ngoba ngiyacela badala lingasole le-team yethu yayithanda. Mina ngiyaginga nihlabele Soweto nisithi ayisozibulawe kodwa nina lenzani labe lihlezi kwabana emasofeni lihlele kuplana, you can't even plan. Badala ningabulali i-Highlanders, i-team yethu yento esinteselelayo and kubuhlungu kakhulu. Respect away asozibulawe seva benzima besigele edakeni saphuma, siyabonga next year asili siyasebenza away chikhetha lebhosani no.
Siyabonga mtata.
Mina amafitshane ngifuna ukuthi ngabe u-Andrew Mbeba bamhambisa ku-AFCON was one of the best players, ahambe ku-AFCON u-Andrew Mbeba la ayithola ngamasenti yabona engayi ku-Scotland athola imali ye-AFCON yankhona. Thank you.
Siyabonga. This is Dep 3 TV Pass and Move special match day 34, and this was the last game season. Sesizabonana next season. From me now, Junior Kanet, aka Ntwana Sempumalanga, Mr. Rondebele, the team esemuva Dep 3 TV. Since thanks.